Hello guys, today I wanna show you pictures of the Kyrgyzstan. We are in the city. Now I'm going to show you very nice pictures. Look at this. Look at this horse. How is it looks? Now I'm going to show you here. Someone is did very nice pictures of the Kyrgyz. His name is Begalı. Inshallah. Look at this one is Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan. Look at the school. Bahiratul school. Yeah. How is these pictures? انظر هذا الأجمل. I'm going to show you very nice pictures. I think everyone will love this one.